Hello everyone, welcome to What, Why, How session of AS Baba. Today we take up some of the science and tech elements and the international elements for discussion. First one, the DNA fingerprinting. There was one article about DNA polymorphism. That's why we pick up this as a topic today. So friends, what is DNA fingerprint? Like when we have a DNA thread which is made up of say double helical structure. So here is one strand, the other strand, and the between ones. These the steps of the ladder in simple words. Okay, they are made up of four types of compounds called adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Usually, it happens that your adenine it pairs with thymine and your guanine pairs with cytosine. So ATCG it comes. And now so this DNA fingerprinting works like we have a long DNA thread of an animal or a human being or anything. And now say we have to cut this DNA thread into individual genes. And so these individual genes we are arranging on the form of ascending order of their lengths. Yes. So this form of arrangement will help say in various say databases being stored. Say for example the crime database. So we can store all the database of rowdy sheeters in the form of so such DNA fingerprinting cards. Yes, likewise. This is your DNA fingerprint. And DNA fingerprint can also be used to store some selected DNAs in a sequence and use it for any other databases. Yes, likewise. So the process of arranging these genes which are being cut into small pieces into ascending order or so storing some selected genes. So that is your DNA fingerprint. Yes. So the process is called DNA fingerprinting. Yes. Now coming to DNA polymorphism. Friends, we discussed the ATCG. Adenine always codes with thymine and your cytosine with guanine like this. Say now we will consider a sequence so which has a gene and it is coding for this sequence as shown in the figure. So they are showing only one strand, friends. Now say G. So here we have C and C has again G, A has T, A has T and C has G. Likewise, there is a double strand which is being present. And in this double strand, so this is one particular gene of any species. Say for example, human beings, insulin. So this is a gene which codes for human insulin. And here, say the genes in all the individuals should be same, but it is not same. So say one base pair, so one compound, in other words, in simple words, okay, that will be changed. But still, this gene happens to be the insulin coding gene, and there is no damage to this gene. Yes. So this is to make sure that some locational variation, racial variations can happen. Say for example, if there are some minute changes without damaging the gene, it is an indication that this person might be from America, this person might be from Africa, from Asia, third one, likewise. So this is your DNA polymorphism. That is, say, we will be having variations in the genes without damaging those genes. And these variations can be different for different individuals, for different population, etc. Yes, likewise. And so friends, what I showed was one variation, and that is morphism. And polymorphism means there can be many such changes. There can be two base pairs changed. So this A and C both can be changed. So likewise, this is DNA polymorphism. We can say that so such polymorphisms they they are naturally happening in the gene structure because say we have to make sure that the nature is evolving. So as and when the geographical conditions, climatic conditions change, so our genes also adapt so that say we have a bit different kind of gene combination compared to say one individual to another individual because their background is different, their climatic variations are different. So this we can say a part of evolution. So what Charles Darwin had predicted. Yes, likewise. I hope you understood DNA polymorphism. In the same gene, there will be some variations in the base pairs, but there is no harm to the gene. The gene will be healthy as such. Then the one small one that is food waste index report has come and that is being released by UNEP and your WRAP NGO, that is Waste and Resource Action Program, a UK based NGO. So Just will remember the report and the bodies which came up with the report. So these are today's topics. Keep revising. All the very best from my side. Good luck, friends.